In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nest sequences in Premiere Pro. Nesting is a powerful way to group several clips, video, audio, or both, into a single, tidy unit so you can move, scale, or apply effects to them all at once. It keeps your timeline clean, makes complex edits easier to manage, and it's completely non-destructive, meaning your original edits remain intact inside the group. Start by choosing the clips you want to include. In your timeline, switch to the Selection tool. Just press the V key and highlight the clips you'd like to nest. You can drag a box around them, or click the first clip and shift-click the last to select a range. Be sure to include all related audio and video so everything stays in sync. If a clip is linked to audio, selecting the video should bring the audio along, but double-check that you've grabbed everything you intend to group. This is your moment to confirm you're nesting exactly what you want, whether that's a short intro sequence, a set of cutaways, or a group of sound effects. With the clips selected, right-click on any one of them to open the context menu. Choose Nest. This command tells Premiere Pro to wrap your selected items into a single nested sequence. Think of it like putting your clips in a labeled box. On the timeline, you'll see one consolidated clip, but all the original pieces remain neatly organized inside. This makes it far easier to move the group, duplicate it, or apply a single color grade or transition to the entire bundle without having to manage each element individually. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to name the new sequence. Give it a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like Intro Group or Color Grade Pack. Strong names save time when projects get complex, so consider using consistent labels or short prefixes that match your workflow. Once you've typed the name, click OK. You'll now see your selection represented as a single clip in the timeline, and a new sequence with your chosen name will appear in the project panel. From here, you can treat the nested sequence like any other clip, trim it, move it, or add effects, and everything inside stays together. That's all there is to it. Select your clips, right-click to nest, name the sequence, and click OK. It's a simple habit that brings big clarity to your edits.